So comfortable.
Why is he taking so long to use the restroom?
Huh? Oh no, there was out of toilet paper.
I can't take it anymore. I feel more comfortable now.
No, stop farting around.
How to build automatic toilet tissue holder. Step 1. Build the frame. Step 2. Build the paper pushing. Step 3. Build the paper holding bar. Step 4. Build the paper holder. Step 5. Complete assembly. Add the battery box. Toilet paper roll. Wow! Testing.
Let me use the restroom first. I can't hold it any longer.
Oh, my stomach is in pain.
This new restroom is really comfortable.
I have a severe stomachache. I can't believe I'm still in pain. We're out of toilet paper again. Lose weight effectively with fast food. I'll show you now. Lego products will help me lose weight through exercise. They help me convert them into low-calorie foods. Use fast food to lose weight thanks to 3 Legos products. Before, I used to be very passionate about eating fast food.
What? Stop eating and lose weight. I want a body like that.
I was so scared, then I decided to lose weight. I exercise non-stop. Nothing seems to stop me.
5 minutes later.
And I realized, this time I really have to lose weight. This boxing punching machine will exercise for me. Add engine to increase power. Switch from air punching to weight punching. Have you seen the strength from this arm? The target in front of you is the sausage. Boxing is an effective exercise for the hands. Of course, with the addition of sausages, the exercise is even more enjoyable. Soon you will see my muscular muscles. Thank you for the sausages sacrifice. To acknowledge your efforts, I'll eat 5 more later. Kayak rowing. Add engine. Next is the freestyle swimming exercise. The rower begins to take position. Wouldn't it be better to exercise with French fries? Take this boat ride. Come row with me. I feel the calories slowly burning. Do I look so cool, bro? You can row everywhere and lose weight. And finally, there are weightlifting machines. Pulling weights like this is boring. To increase my motivation, I have to use chicken wings. Add chicken nugget. Pulling chicken wings is the best. It's even better to pull chicken wings and eat chicken wings at the same time. I can pull 10 chicken wings. After I finish my hard workout, I will reward myself.
Mom will definitely love this special birthday cake.
What's going on, Alex?
Daddy, I want to make a supersized birthday cake for Mommy, but I can't whisk the egg.
Guess we need a special egg beater.
Thank you, Mr. Hands. Mr. Hand, let's go out together.
Okay.
It's so dirty. Can you help me wash this car?
Okay.
Wow! Thank you.